Tired of the financial chaos that comes with being self-employed? Let's tame those freelance finances in just 90 seconds using QuickBooks Self-Employed. First, let's get you acquainted with the dashboard. This is your financial command center. See the tabs on the left. We'll explore those one by one. Click on Transactions. This is where you'll connect your bank accounts and credit cards. QuickBooks will automatically import your transactions once imported. Categorize each transaction as either business or personal. This is crucial for accurate tax deductions. Use the Rules feature to automate categorization for recurring transactions, saving you time in the long run. Next up, mileage. Click on the Mileage tab. Manually enter your business trips, or even better, turn on automatic tracking. QuickBooks uses your phone's GPS to log your drives, calculating deductible mileage based on the current IRS rate. This can lead to huge tax savings. Time to get paid. Head over to the Invoices tab. Create professional invoices with your logo and payment terms. You can even send invoices directly through QuickBooks and track their status. Plus, QuickBooks integrates with payment processors like Stripe and PayPal for easy online payments. Now for the part everyone dreads, taxes. Click on the Taxes tab. QuickBooks Self-Employed estimates your quarterly and annual taxes based on your income and expenses. You can even pay your estimated taxes directly through the platform, keeping you compliant and stress-free. And that's it. With QuickBooks Self-Employed, tracking income and expenses, maximizing mileage deductions, creating professional invoices, and preparing for tax season becomes a breeze. Subscribe for more quick tips and take control of your self-employed finances today.